Got any threes?
No, goldfish.
Oh, come on! Fine. Guys, sorry to cut your game short, but Masky, I need you for another video. What? Why? I just made one! Come on, man! Well, I'm doing the genocide route of Undertale, and I need you to be in it because you're in every other one, and I can't do it without you. Make 404 do it. I'm on my vacation.
Well, don't get me dragged into this. What the hell?
He does get a point. I am doing the genocide route, and you are the one for this. It's evil, so, you know, you'd be a good pick for it.
Well, fine. It's only because I haven't been in many videos yet.
5 minutes later.
Also, before you go, I'm taking away your evil voice thing because anyone's barely able to understand you. So yeah, you're gonna have a normal voice for right now.
Wait, what? What? No!
Hello, everybody. Welcome back to Undertale, or what you decide to call it. And in this video, we're doing the genocide route because it's been 2 months and I am not waiting any longer. And the only reason it might be looking weird is because, well, OBS decided to be a pain in the butt, and it's not letting me do it without doing it in windowed mode. So we're playing windowed mode today. So also might have to explain why I'm probably going to be bad, but who cares? Reset, because I don't think this was a genocide route. I don't know what I was doing in the entrance, but we're just going to redo it. And we still got the same sprites. Why am I... Oh, it's when I press down key. Hold on, I gotta fix that. Alright, I should have it fixed. Now if I press down... Yep, none of the arrow keys are making it so I look weird. Whoops. I control it. Anyways. Why is it this guy again? I hate this guy. Don't you have anything better to do? Wait, what? Don't you have anything better to do? See that heart? Yada yada yada. Love a shit through Little White. We already know this part. We already know this part. Move around, get as many as you can. Do this! Die. Ha, can't touch it. Wait, what? Pew! What a terrible creature taught her on such a poor, innocent youth. That's her voice now. It's gonna be Irish. Oh, do not be afraid, my child. I am Toriel, caretaker of the ruin. I cannot do an Irish accent, but I'll just do it in the most crappiest Irish accent I can do. You come. I will guide you through the catacombs. Oh, we're doing Skyblock Dungeons? Let's go. This way. Let's go. The shadow of the ruins looms above, filling with determination. Yada yada yada. Been 2 minutes. Let's go. Welcome to yada yada yada. We already know. Ended. I'm proud of you, little one. Let's move to... No, I didn't do it quick enough. Whatever. Yada 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 yada. Shut up. Shut up. Shut up. Sorry, GOATMOM, but I got some murdering to do. Ah, the demo's enough for fighting. I mean, the demo's enough for blah 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 blah. I'm not supposed to do her normal voice because I don't want to. Oh yeah. Now it's time. Ha! Bye bye. 10 XP and 20 gold. You'll have increased. Let's go. She didn't see that. She just watched the entire murder and didn't care. Alright, this is gonna take 2 years.
1 eternity later.
She got little on me. Puzzles seem a little bit too dangerous right now. Shut up. Get back here! Hey, back here! Get over here! Get the back here! Get over here! My stubborn little legs. I hate you, stubborn little legs. Yeah, I see behind that pillar. Oh, whoops. Get back here. I left the room. Shut up. You can see this in my first video. It's bad, but, you know, at least you got something. Give me all the candy. Look what you've done. I don't care. I got my 4 monster candy. Bam. No, you're a frog. You can't frog me. You're my wife. And the frog is dead. Goodbye, frog. Oh, here you go. Don't even leave. Don't even need to. There we go. Back in like 20, I guess. Right now it's in the bye-bye. Naughty Winsome, die! You do not get to my path. I could be playing Minecraft right now, but I'm entertaining people. I'll do it later. Dead. Move. Well, I mean, I found one. Die. Yeah, baby. And then it'll appear. Yep, like that. Frog it. Ah. Die. Death. Alright, it's taking a little longer than usual. Oh, okay, there we go. Death, son of a... Yeah, don't mess with me. There we go. Oh, it's another frogget. He's trying to touch me. Extra XP. That's what it is. Die. Yeah, baby. Okay, we're not dead. We're not dead. We're not dead. Very easy enemy. Just gotta one-hit him. Now you're dead. Oh, get out of here. Now you're dead because nobody loved you. How many? Next 20. I've only killed a few monsters. I've only gained 8 XP. What? Ah! So I need to put in like stairs as one of those like circular things as if someone falling down the stairs. Yeah, right. Determination. We did it, boys! It's time. We gotta go murder GOATMOM. I swear to God. Yeah, baby. We made it! We're at Toriel's house. Yay! The toy knife. The toy knife. You quit toy knife. Oh, okay. We need to go have a nice time now. Oh dear, that took longer than I thought it would. How did you get here, my child? Are you hurt? Not a scratch. Impressive, but still. I should not have left you alone for so long. It was irresponsible to try and surprise you like this. Well, I suppose I cannot hide it any longer. Come, small one. No, I don't think I will. I want the pie. I want the pie! Is it? A room of your very own. I hope you like it. Stop touching my hair. Stop touching my hair! Nappy nap times. I'm gonna turn off the light. I sleep. Pretty good sleep, You're carrying too much. Oh, right, Here's the monster candy, yada yada. Give me the butterscotch cinnamon pie. I can't leave without my butterscotch cinnamon pie. I can't leave without my butterscotch cinnamon pie. No one will ever be able to leave again. Now be a good child and go upstairs. No! I'm going to go home. You don't have an Xbox 360. Not even an Xbox. Just an Xbox. Every human that falls down here seems to here meet the same fate. I have seen it again and again. They come, they leave, they die. You naive child, if you leave the ruins, they, Asgore, will kill you. I'm only protecting you, do you understand? Go to your room. No! Do I need to say it again? Do not try and stop me. This is a final warning. Hey, if you don't let me go through that door, you're gonna have a slash in your chest. You want to leave so badly? You were just like the others. There is only one solution to this. Prove yourself. Prove to me that you are strong enough to survive. Oh, I will. Prepare to die. Ha! 22,000! Holy. You really hate me that much? Now I see who I was protecting by keeping you here. Not you, but them. Ha! Nice soul we got there. I'm gonna yoink it. Or I'm gonna steal it. Yoink! No more dad. No more goat mom. That route. I want to murder people. You again! You're not really human, are you? No. You're empty inside. Just like me, in fact. You're Jason, right? He knows who I am. Get down! We're gonna get swatted again! Alright, that was an unfortunate experience. We're still inseparable after all these years. I don't know who you are, you child predator. Get away from me. Listen, I have a plan to become all-powerful. I like the sounds of this. Even more powerful than you and your stolen soul. Oh. Let's destroy everything in this wretched world. Everyone, everything that is in those worthless memories. Let's turn them all to dust. No. I'm gonna go find a save point. We're gonna walk through. Nice stick. I wish I could pick it up. It's a tough-looking branch. It's too heavy to pick up. Oh, I want it though. That was my... I like that branch. Oh. Skeleton dude. Human. Don't you know how to greet a new pal? Turn around and shake my hand. It was Sans Undertale! The old whoopee cushion in the hand trick. It's okay, that's fine. Okay, this is the voice. Okay, that's fine. Everyone has their own sense of humor. I'm saying, Sans the skeleton. I'm actually supposed to be on watch for humans right now, but, you know, I don't really care about capturing anybody. Now my brother, Papyrus, he's a human hunting fanatic. Hey, actually, I think that's him over there. I have an idea. Go through this gate thingy. Yeah, go right through. My bro made the bars too wide to stop anybody. Quick, behind that conveniently shaped lamp! Okay, I guess you don't have to. Sans! Have you found a human yet? Yeah. Really? Wowee! Guess that's settled! That worked out, huh? Are you just gonna stare at me, or... Bye-bye. Well, I'll be straightforward with you. My brother would really like to see a human. So, you know, it would really help me out if you kept pretending to be one. You 16 left. Boom! Now you're dead. Just like old grandma. I mean, your mom. Oh, whoops. You know, I didn't want to do that last encounter, but because this is where I'm going to end the first episode of the genocide route. Because I don't really have much time to do anything, so this should be good. And it's been 2 months. It's like, just don't worry about it. Anyways, I'll see you in the next video of Undertale. Bye-bye.